my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to remove friends or page from your favorite list on Facebook app. Let me show you how can we do that. At first, tap on Facebook app icon. Then click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. Then tap on settings. Press on your time on Facebook. After that, click on Get More from your time. Then press on News Feed Preferences. Click on Favorites. Here you can find favorite lists for friends and page. If you want to remove friends, for example, let's remove agro suppliers from this favorite list, just press on 3 dot beside friend which you want to remove, like this, and then press on remove from favorites. You will find that this friend already removed from favorite list. The same ways for pages. Let's try to remove mobile tips and tricks from favorite list. Just press on 3 dot which showing beside this page, like this, and then press on remove from favorites. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to remove friends or page from favorite list on Facebook app. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.